Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to post your home for sale on Facebook Marketplace. This is going to be quick and straightforward, so let's get right into it. First, open up your Facebook app. Now, on your home screen, you should see the Marketplace icon. It looks like a little storefront, and once you're inside the Marketplace, tap on the sell button at the top. From the options that pop up, choose homes for sale or rent. Now, Facebook will bring up a form for you to fill out about your property. Start by uploading clear photos of your home. Tap on the photos section and it will open up your phone gallery so you can choose. Next, you will need to add a title for your listing. Make it catchy and include keywords that buyers might search for. After that, enter the price you're selling it for. Then select the category as home sales since you're selling and not renting. Then there's the description section. I definitely recommend filling this out completely. The more complete your description is, the better chance your listing has to show up in searches. Once everything looks good, tap on the next at the top right. Facebook will ask if you want to share your listing to any groups you're part of. This can give your post extra reach if you're in a local housing or community groups. When you're done, tap publish at the bottom and your home listing will be live on Facebook Marketplace for buyers to find. And that's it guys, quick and simple. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.